What is going on, everybody? So today we're back on the Conquest. So today we're gonna try and get to the bottom of the problem I've been having with the car dying. So I know, like I said in the last video, I should have done this like before we drove it for the first time. Like, what we're gonna be doing is a smoke test with Randall's DIY smoke tester. So what do we got here?
A paint can.
Paint can?
Yeah.
With some nipples.
Nipply paint can.
What do we got going on here?
Paint can. Empty paint can. You can buy them.
It's not empty?
I think they're like less than $10, $5. 2 brass nipples. Nipples. And you just kind of epoxy them in. Light the mallow. Just catch something on fire and then put a pump on one side and then the other one goes to your intake manifold somewhere. I use bike pump because it's easy and I have one.
Yeah. And then it pushes,
cheap and effective.
Yeah, it pushes the smoke through your vacuum system.
Yes.
And it will let you know what's leaking. I say nothing's leaking. What do you think?
Oh, we'll find a leak.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, hopefully it's just something that I can fix that keeps my car alive. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm also gonna change spark plugs. Try to throw the bumper on real quick too, because we don't have much else to do. And then oh yeah, we gotta go over what the title of this video is gonna be, or is.
I don't even know the name of it, so let's do it.
All right.
What am I doing? What I'm doing? All these words that I'm chewing, not moving, should be improving by excluding my excusing and exuding positivity. It's all my business in front of me. Can't keep my thoughts to myself, no surprise. I need to be brave, but let them out the way. Can't keep my thoughts to myself, no surprise. I need to be brave. And I get silly, just enough to thrill me, not kill me. Life's about fun and fun comes out at night.
All right, so just changed the spark plugs, and they were pretty fouled up, very rich. And one thing I didn't mention before, I also replaced the temperature sensor, the coolant temperature sensor. That thing was pretty rusty in there, so hopefully that will help part of my problem too. But yeah, I got new spark plugs in. So now probably gonna throw the bumper on real quick and then we'll do the smoke test. Sound like a plan?
Do it.
Stand. All right, let's do it. So probably do another time lapse.
Sun comes out at night. Yeah. No, lost my mind just a week ago. Didn't take long for me to know. Felt hard to say hello when I lost control. Just a week ago, drink the whiskey fast in the ice real slow. Drink the whiskey fast in the ice real slow. You can't control the past when you're past control. Can't keep my thoughts to myself, no surprise. I need to be brave, but let them have their way. Can't keep my thoughts to myself, no surprise. I need to be brave. And I get silly.
front bumper on, kinda. I still gotta put the bolts and the rest of the bolts in, but the main ones are in. So now we're gonna move on to the little smoke test. See if I got any vacuum leaks. Like we said before, all you gotta do is attach the can to a vacuum line on the intake manifold, and we're just gonna use this nice big old brake booster line that goes to the intake manifold, and then you'll hook that to the can and hook the bicycle pump up to the can and pump some smoke into the system. That perfect seal.
Like that. It's custom, baby. Custom.
So how much did this cost you to make?
Less than $10.
How much is a vacuum tester?
Couple $100.
Wow, really?
They're expensive. I wanted to buy one. I'm like, no, I'm not spend $100 on that because I don't have $100.
All right, let's see what happens. Just coming out of the can.
There's no clamp on it.
You want a clamp? I have clamps. So far, I don't see anything.
Good.
So the smoke test revealed one small leak on the bottom of the, I don't know how well you can see it, but on the bottom of the intake manifold there. I need a plug or something because there's smoke rolling out of it. So I have to plug that real quick, and maybe who knows, that might be it. Hopefully it's something that stupid. So that's capped off. So we're gonna do another smoke test just to see if we can see anything else coming out of the system. Hopefully that was just it, and that's the cause of all of my problems.
Nothing?
I don't see anything.
Okay.
Alright, so yeah, that seemed to be my only vacuum leak. So now, I guess the only thing left to do is take it for a spin. And I have gas in it this time. Just what's left over from last week. So I don't think I'm going to run out of gas today.
You might.
Yeah, there's always a chance of that. Actually, seven is engine coolant temp sensor.
A few moments later.
So as usual, problems arise. Have a nice little oil leak coming out of the pressure port for the oil pressure gauge. So see if I can, I don't know, seal that up real quick and continue on our adventure. So the nylon hose broke inside the fitting. That's why it was leaking oil. So I'm gonna see if we can find another one just hanging out here somewhere. All right, well, don't have another ferrule to put on that oil pressure line, and it's getting to our time limit anyway. So unfortunately that's gonna do it for this video, but I want to give a huge shout out to Level 10 Photography. So we appreciate each and every one of you guys. Like, without you guys, this channel, like I said last video, it wouldn't be worth it. But here, hold this. He sent me something pretty awesome, and I'm gonna share it with you guys. So, he sent me a standalone ECU. Pretty awesome.
Jeez.
So, yeah, we're probably not going to do this before the 21st of March, but Grandpa's getting a standalone. So,
Oh yeah.
yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. So he sent me this. It came with the controller and a wiring harness. That's for an RX-7, but try to make it work. And it's also got a boost solenoid. But yeah, huge shout out to him. I know he's on Instagram, so I'll put a link in the description for his Instagram, and make sure you go give him a follow or something. Yeah, but yeah, huge thank you so much. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for today. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. I know we didn't do anything today. I don't even know if oil problem is fixed. We did fix a vacuum leak, but I gotta go get a different ferrule for that oil pressure port for the oil pressure gauge.
And if you need a shirt, a hat, whatever else we got on there. Actually, there's new designs. You put new designs up.
Yeah.
So go to sandrmotoring.com, check out the new designs, get some old designs, buy them all.
Mm-hmm. We got a racetrack to buy.
Yeah, that's it. And yeah, check us out on Patreon. Get yourself some limited, I guess it wouldn't be limited edition. I guess it'd be like special edition. Yes, special edition swag. So you can be like, hey, I'm cool. And March 21st, the big race is getting closer and closer. Yeah. And we are both, I think, further away than we were a week ago.
I definitely am.
So we're going to be there, even if we got to put a Stereon sticker on the Tahoe.
I got a Mitsubishi emblem
somewhere. There you go. We'll put that on the back of the Tahoe. Yeah. And I'll put my super badge on the back of the Pilot. Yeah. But anyways, if you're in the southeast area, you should go check it out. Say hi. Take a picture. Get a hug. All that fun stuff.
Yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.
Bye.
See you.